ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுமா.
Hello everyone, my name is K. Jakapriya. My topic is spaceship. I am a spacecraft. I am a vehicle that travels in space. I enter the moon. I carry people in space. The Sputnik 1 was the first spacecraft launched in 1957. The Aryabhatta was the first spacecraft launched by India. Neptune was the first reusable spacecraft. Chandrayaan-3 launched recently. The start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.